Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Play balance and account so purchases draw from the right wallet. Open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. You'll see which Google account is active. Once done, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods to view your Google Play balance. Make sure the balance shows enough funds. If it doesn't, add a gift card or redeem code now. This prevents surprises at checkout and routes charges correctly. You now pick what to buy and explicitly select your Play balance. Search or browse to the app, game, or in-app item, tap the price or install to open the purchase screen. On the payment sheet, you'll see available methods. Tap Google Play balance so the store uses those funds first. If the balance covers the cost, the charge completes immediately. If not, you'll be prompted to add a secondary payment. Confirm the purchase to finalize. Finish by verifying the transaction and knowing what to do if it fails. After purchase, open the profile menu and tap Payments and Subscriptions, Budget, and Order History to confirm the receipt. If the charge didn't go through, make sure the balance wasn't expired, redeem any gift card codes, or add a backup card. You can also cancel and retry. If problems persist, clear the Play Store cache and data, restart the device, and contact Google support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.